my name is Jesse Sims, and I'm the Library Technology Specialist with the Buckeye Public Library System. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to place a hold through the library's online catalog. Let's get started. We're going to start here on the webpage buckeyeaz.gov/library. We're going to click the magnifying glass to search. And up here, I'm just going to do a quick search using a keyword history, and that's going to search our catalog for materials around history. So you can see here I have a list of results, and to the right of each result, I have different options. So for this one, I'm going to click Place Request. And here I'm going to put my library card number in and my password. Now your password is going to be the last 4 digits of your phone number, and then you'll click Log In. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you which library you would like to pick up the material at. I'm going to go ahead and select here Coyote Branch, and then I'll click Submit Request. All right, once your materials are available for pickup, you'll be notified by the library, and you can pick them up through our no contact pickup, which is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. All right, thank you.